Good day, good day. So today's quest is to find a hidden castle. So let me just show you. I am here in Chantepie. Truth is that I have some things to buy at Decathlon. So I've decided to visit the town of Chantepie. Here you can see Château de Cucé, the castle of Cucé. So I want to find it. Étang Chantepie. That is very cute. Is that thing killing a bee? Let's not drop the camera in the water. I am getting closer. The castle is there. Very nice little path. Look at this. Wonderful. That way. Château de Cucé. Castle of Cucé. Alright, so right there it's locked. I'm gonna see at the end of the road. I should be able to get a view of the castle, which is what I want, but according to their website, I think you can't visit it. You can only rent it for like weddings and stuff like this, but it's not possible to visit it. There are some dogs howling, so it's not even possible to have a front view. It's just a side view from there. Alright, so it's a bit disappointing to not be able to see more than this. I knew it wasn't possible to visit it, but a front view would have been nice, but it's only possible to see from the side. Excusez-moi, est-ce que vous savez s'il est possible de continuer? Parce que là, j'ai vu qu'on avait une vue sur le côté du château, mais il n'est pas possible d'avoir...
C'est une propriété privée.
D'accord, donc il n'est pas possible d'avoir une vue d'en face.
Et en plus, le chemin est complètement inondé. C'est la gadoue et tout.
Ferme du parc de Cucé. Alright, so the two little ladies that I saw a few minutes ago, they were like in front of me, like 50 meters, 100 meters in front of me. And they basically stopped to tell me that this path, which is the one going to the farm of Cucé, if you take this path, at the end of it, I should be able to have a view of the front of the castle. And that's great. I'm going to see if it's possible. I'm not sure where exactly I'm supposed to have a view. Maybe on the left. Right, so not on the right, and it's private property. In the front, private property. No view either. And on the left, private property. No view either. So I am going back. So I mean, it was nice of this little lady to, you know, I think she seemed bothered that I came all the way there and didn't see the front of the castle. So she was like, I think I remember that if you take this path, you're going to have the view of the front of the castle. But no, it's not the case. But it's okay, I mean, at least I tried. I prefer to try something and fail rather than not try it. Okay, but now it's nearly 4 p.m. now. So I'm just going to walk back the same way that I came there and go to Decathlon. And I am back there. Okay, so that was a little adventure of the day, which was a bit of a failure, but I'm going to show you the images from their website so that you can see what the castle looks like, because it's actually a beautiful thing. And now I have to hurry up if I want to go to Decathlon. I'm not going to show you my shopping at Decathlon, that's boring. Alright, so I'm back at the lake again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow for the next video. Bye!